What's going on, everybody? So this thing I have in the bottom should have been like that, but I only did that only because it was so hard to get in the seams right here to make it go up. Like for instance, I'll put this down, so it should have been going up from here and all the way around and then come back down all the way here. So I'm gonna fix that issue. It's alright. Like I said, Amazon's the best. All I'm gonna do is return this, no charge, and I got a new one at no charge. So it's like a exchange pretty much. And here is a bit tough because in the beginning I had problems with it, but right now what you do need is a flathead screwdriver. So when you push it in the middle, it will pretty much come out a little bit, half of it, and then you can squeeze literally the rest by itself, and you just tuck it in perfectly and it goes right through, and it's that simple. It's gonna look great when I have it actually go straight upwards rather than have that area. So I'll keep you posted. Got it through up there and then went underneath. For now I use a 3M tape to hold it down there, bring it up, and it went through. Over here you make sure you put a flathead screw in the middle. It'll pop out a little bit, and then you can tuck in the whole part here. The top is a bit easy, but again, whenever you tuck it in with your hands, just make sure you take a flathead and kind of push it in, and then it'll tuck in perfectly and tight. And then keep going. That's the easy part. Up here is the easy part, and then I just gotta do the other side, and then I should be good to go. All right, so here's the results. Done. Got the outside, inside is done, and now it's always just gotta fix that area a little bit, straighten it out, and then the rest is done. That's the hard part. And yeah, it's gonna look a lot better now. I'll let you know how it looks at night. Alright, so I got a few comments on how I installed it. Like, I mean, honestly, this is like part 2 or like better than I did before. The video yesterday, it had it like go downwards from here, but I didn't like that, so I figured out it actually, like that link I have in the description below, it actually reaches all the way to the end if I do it this way. So this is how I installed it pretty much. I started, sorry about that. Make sure to watch the full video. And then yeah, so I installed it here from this point because I didn't know it would come enough in there, but here's the deal. So I connected the 12 volt here, so I have a dual 12 volt and 2 USBs, and I guess I'll put the link in the description below for the dual 2 volt, so we could put like double 2 volt in there, like cigarette lighters, and 2 USBs here. So one of the USB is connected for the lights here, and this one is connected for my dash cam, and this one is connected for my lights, for my footwell lights. All right, so here's the deal. Take a flathead, put it in the middle right there, and when you kind of go upwards, this thing will open up a little bit, so you can start off right in this edge and then take it off and put the flathead here, and then do the rest. And as you go up, take the flathead and put it in this area on the second panel here. All right, down here, if you put the flathead, it will come off, but if you put it here, it's not going to come off. But down here, it will come off, the seam will open up, and then you can squeeze it in, and what's it called, and then you just push this back in and it will click in a little bit, or it will just get stuck there back to its own spot. You'll be good from there. The rest, this is easy. This will literally go in by itself, or if it doesn't, take a flathead and again put it in the middle, come down a little bit, you will have enough seam right here, but make sure you go in the middle, you'll have more space. Or you can take a flathead and put it against the back side of this like neon lighting, the tucked part, and just push it in with the flathead. It will go through. And then in the bottom, I put duct tape for now because I ran out of 3M tape. Hey, I just got one 3M tape, so I'm gonna put 3M tape in certain areas to keep it down there. And same thing here, so I put duct tape in like 3 areas to keep it there and make sure everything is smooth and all tucked in. Yeah, so once I put 3M tape, it'll be all good. And then in here, same thing here, guys. take the flathead, put it in the center, like right here, and push out a little bit, and you will get space here to put, and then this one tucks in by itself a lot. And then just go right above it, like kind of twist it up here. It will automatically go up. It doesn't make a, it will automatically go up. It doesn't like do anything bad to it, but that's how it's gotta go. And then you can just tuck it in, you know, with the flathead. You could just, if it doesn't tuck in with your hands, take a flathead and just push in with it. My bad, the focus is coming off. But the rest of it, as you go up here, it's easy. It'll go in by itself, but again, you might need flathead in the edge area to keep it all tight there, and then you can make a straight here, and then just use the flathead, you know, push it in a little bit to make sure it's secure good. You don't have to tuck anything out with the flathead, just use the flathead to push this in certain spots and you'll be good. And around the same thing, you just use the flathead a little bit. And then I know it's top one is easy for the top side, but the bottom one, you're gonna need the flathead to put in like here, put in that, then put the flathead here, and put in this, then put in the flathead again here, and put the rest, and make sure you tuck it in. Don't worry, you won't scratch anything or anything like that. And again, you're gonna use flathead in this edge, and to open up this seam right here, this will go right in. And then again, you're gonna use the flathead in the middle. And this side, you can tuck this in. Flathead again, you can tuck the rest in, and then the rest will go in by itself. And the excessive that I have, I figured I didn't want to cut it because what's it called, I didn't want to cut it or anything, because I figured if I just leave it in there and I want to grab something at night, I will have some light, because freaking Honda didn't want to put lights in there for nighttime. I don't know if there is, but honestly I don't think there is. But this would give me like nice lighting inside in the dark if I want to grab something or throw something in there. And yeah, I would just leave it there in case we need some light at night. But you can also use a dome light, but if you don't want to use that, you can use that as your light. And that's how it is. My setup is like that now, so I don't have too much stuff down here, you know. Like I just have my radar here plugged in and my phone for CarPlay and everything, and I got my shades there, so I got a lot of room here now, so I don't have too many wires pushing in here. So I hope this video helped you out on how I actually installed it easily. Just the flathead, guys, and I showed you what spots to use the flathead at, so it'll be a lot easier for you guys. If you have any questions, just comment below. Please like the video, subscribe, share my channel, turn on all the notification icon bell if you haven't on my channel yet. Please support the channel, and I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, and watch them in the end, or watch them till the end, so I get my watch hours, and this way I can provide more content for you guys. Thanks for the support. I'm about to start the car. Gotta grab something for wifey, but yeah, let's start up. Nice. It's the radar right there, and let's give it a rev. That was a small rev, but whatever. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Be safe. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the inside view. Just turn it on once, or whatever, we'll do it twice so you can see the, and I'll go back in the back seat so you can see better. There we go. On the back seat, I'll close the door so the dome light can turn off. Yeah, I changed the bottom for a pink for now, purplish, but yeah, that's how it's gonna look when you install it this way. I think it's a lot better than what the video I posted yesterday. This setup is a lot sexier. There you go, you see it goes all the way in. Yeah, so comes up. It's a lot better, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this was very helpful for you guys, so you can do it yourself and don't spend money in the mechanic shop. I got the best content for you all. There you have it. Thanks for watching. What you know